Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel PactaLinga. If you're looking to maximize your learning and simplify navigation on our channel, look no further than our special playlist titled Video Guide. In this playlist, you will find a complete overview of all our videos, methodically organized to provide you with a smooth and efficient user experience. Whether you are a beginner or looking to hone your skills, this playlist will allow you to quickly and easily find the videos that match your learning needs. Each video in the Video Guide playlist is designed to give you a clear overview of the content available on our channel. You can access it directly without having to leave YouTube, thus facilitating your learning journey and helping you progress at your own pace. We know how difficult it can be to find what you're looking for in a sea of content. That's why we created this organized playlist so you can spend less time searching and more time learning. This channel will introduce you to many other languages and content for your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any of our new posts. Visit the Video Guide playlist today and start exploring all the resources we have prepared for you. Thank you for following PactaLinga and good luck with your language learning. Regularly check this playlist with the detailed plan of videos, as we add many very short videos to facilitate your learning. And this playlist can become your essential guide to finding even faster the videos you need.